Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to transfer Bitcoin using the Cash App application. So first of all, of course, you would like to have the Cash application on your phone. So if you don't have that, you can just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, or even App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. So if you already have an account, just ignore all of that and log into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So of course, as we said, if you want to transfer Bitcoin, sorry, let me just first tell you that Cash App application is currently working on just the United States. So if you're not living there, the application will not work for you. So if you do want to download it and start using it, you can find one of our videos on how to do that in this channel. So as we said, if you want to transfer Bitcoin on the Cash application, you can just go here. After opening the application, you'll find this as your home screen. So all you need to do now is just go here to the USD and click on that, then choose the Bitcoin option. Here, of course, you would like, if you want to buy some Bitcoin, maybe $1, 10, 20, how much even you want. If you want more, click on the three dots and choose the amount maybe that you want. So do whatever you want. So maybe if you want to buy, so if you want to transfer like Bitcoin from here to another wallet you would like to buy, or even have it on already here. So if you don't have it, or you want maybe to send it from a wallet to the Cash application, just go here, scroll down. Of course, here you will find an option called verify your identity, enable blockchain withdrawal and deposit to external wallets. So here, if you click at the get started option, as you can see here, we need a little more information to enable withdrawal and deposit. So if you click at continue, they will ask you to add a phone number here. Of course, make sure to add a United States number, or they will tell you that this number will not be exist. So let me just show you that you need to, of course, as I said, a United States number. So if you don't have that, or if you don't want to use your personal number, just go and use a temporarily number, United States number, from any website you want. And then all you need to do, just hit the next button and verify your identity, and you will be good to go. So after that, here will appear to you, instead of this verify your identity, your address in the Cash application. Of course, you can with this address send Bitcoin to the Cash application, or like transfer Bitcoin from Cash application to another place, maybe by clicking at the withdrawal option here. Of course, after clicking on that, all you need to do, just enter the address that you want to send the Bitcoin to, and maybe choose the withdrawal speed and tap at next, and you kind of will be good to go. Of course, if you want to deposit Bitcoin here, you would like to copy an address, will be here instead of this verify your identity, and go to any wallet that you will send from and paste the address there, then send the Bitcoin, and that's how you actually transfer Bitcoin. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.